In this TeamWork 5 Manager tutorial, I'm going to show you how to export shift bid employee information to Excel. To do that, go to your top menu bar and click on TeamWork. Make sure you have your location selected. You do need to be logged in under your location in order to do this. Then click on Bidding. Select the shift bid you would like to export data from. I'll choose this one. You should arrive at your status page. Go to your new top menu bar and select Setup. From the drop-down menu, choose Employees. You should arrive at a list of the employees assigned to this shift bid. To export your employee information, choose Export to Excel. Then give your new spreadsheet a name. Maybe I'll put Employees July 1 Bid. If you changed your mind and you don't want to export this information, choose Cancel. I do, so I will select Save. And now that Excel spreadsheet has been created. To view that information, open the spreadsheet. And now I can see my employee information for that shift bid. Exit out of your spreadsheet to return to your TeamWork 5 page. That's how you can export shift bid employee information to Excel. Check out the next video to learn how to add lines or shifts to your shift bid.